In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and use scale ratio in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat Pro DC and opening the PDF you want to measure. This is essential because the scale you set will apply to the specific document you're working on. Once your file is open, look to the Tools pane and choose the Measure tool. Depending on your version, it may be labeled Measure, or you might see it grouped under Analyzing or Measure tools. Activating this tool enables Acrobat's built-in measurement features. With the measuring tool active, decide what kind of measurement you need. Distance gives you a straight line between 2 points, great for checking a single length. Perimeter measures a round-trip distance as you click around multiple points, useful for outlining a boundary. Area calculates the space within an enclosed shape, perfect for rooms, plots, or any closed region. Pick the mode that fits your task so your results are reported in the most useful way. Next, with the measuring tool still active, open the scale settings. On Windows, right-click anywhere on the PDF. On a Mac, Control-click instead. From the context menu, choose Change Scale Ratio and Precision, or a similarly named option like Change Scale Ratio. This opens the dialog where you'll tell Acrobat how the drawing relates to real-world size. In the dialog, enter the PDF distance and the document distance. Think of the PDF distance as the measurement on the drawing itself, and the document distance as the real-life value it represents. For example, if 1 inch on the plan equals 4 feet in reality, set PDF distance to 1 inch and document distance to 4 feet. You can also choose metric units like millimeters or meters if your document uses them. Then, set your precision, which controls how many decimal places Acrobat reports. Higher precision is helpful for technical work. Lower precision keeps results clean and easy to read. Click OK to apply the new scale. From now on, your distance, perimeter, and area measurements will reflect real-world values based on that ratio, regardless of your zoom level. The scale is tied to the page, not how far you're zoomed in. As you measure, keep things consistent with the units you selected, and remember that clean, accurate snapping to corners or edges gives better results. If you're working across multiple documents, repeat this process for each file, since drawings can vary in scale. When in doubt, compare a measured result to a known dimension in the document to confirm your setup. That's it. You've set the scale, and you're ready to measure with confidence in Adobe Acrobat Pro.